Hi guys, so today I'm making a whole fish. I'm marinating it and I'm going to slow cook it in the oven. I have heated the oven at 170 degrees Celsius for me to pop this whole fish. I bought this fish, it was already cleaned and gutted for me, so very easy for me to prep. If you're interested in seeing this recipe and the outcome of it, then please keep watching. Okay, so when I got the fish, I cut it so that the flavors could go into the fish a bit more. This is going to be more of an Indian flavored fish. It's always finger licking good every time I make it. So what I'm going to do is start with the 1 tablespoon of Garam Masala, the staples that I've used so far. Then the ground cumin, ground coriander, a little bit of turmeric. Don't mind the hands. I tend to use surgical gloves so that way I don't stain my cuticles. I'll just get my hands really mucky should there be anything. So now this is ginger and garlic paste that I've already bought pre-blended from Tesco. I tend to use this whenever I do marinate anything. Okay, and then I'm going to be using a little bit of chaat masala as well. This will give it a little bit more of a zing, a bit more of a tang. Not a lot, because I do find this quite dehydrating, but because it's a whole fish, I think a bit of a kick would be nice. So about half a teaspoon. Okay, and I'm also going to be using some tandoori masala. If you want to make a tandoori chicken, then I would recommend this tandoori masala. It is quite strong though, but I tend to use it in my marinades, but not too much of it. Again, half a teaspoon, just to give it a bit of a variance. So you'll see my tablespoons being used quite a lot, but there we are. They work great for stuff like that. Right, now we're gonna rub, all the way in. Okay, when I marinate, I like it going all the way. You see the ginger and garlic there as well. That's going to go inside. If it gets dry, don't use water. Absolutely no water. Use lemon or lime, which I will be using because I want those juices to cook with the spices, not any other juice. Okay, so this to me seems okay. Just keep on rubbing it in. Make sure all the seasoning is all over the fish, inside the fish. Absolutely lovely. These are little ginger slices. I'm sticking it in there. Okay, every alternate. So I have ginger there, and then I have a little bit of garlic there. Okay. So as it cooks, slow cooks, releases juices, it just blends in so nicely. I mean, the flavors, it's just beautiful. Okay, so that goes in there and goes in there. I'm going to get some more spices first to do the inside because you want the inside to be nicely seasoned as well. And the flavors, just going to grab a bit more of the same ones. Just going to wash my hands. I'm going to ruin all this. You can often just serve this with some plain rice, or you could do some jeera rice, or just a nice bed of salad, which is generally my husband's preference. This is very, very popular dish. So I'm just going to grab some more spices. I'll be right back. Okay, so the spices, I put some inside already, just rubbing it in. As it slow cooks and the juices release, it will be the best flavor. I'm not even joking. Alright, so that's done. I can already taste this. I mean, if you're gonna barbecue, this would be great if you were to barbecue as well. I would just wrap it up in foil and stick it in the barbecue. And let the smoke just cook it gently. And then maybe cut some holes once it's cooked so that you can get a smoky fish. If you guys want me to show you how to do that, then just let me know so that the next time we barbecue. We do have a guy that goes and gets us a whole fish He tends to go quite regularly to Scotland, and he fishes the whatever we require. So let me know what you guys would like to see, and then I can go ahead and plan it and order what I need to order to show you how I would smoke this fish in the barbecue. Okay, so we got that done. I have some lemon, okay, because I want all this to cook in, sorry, lime. I want this to cook in the lime. Slow cook it. Lime. If you guys could smell it, oh, it's beautiful. Okay. Beautiful, beautiful inside. I'm gonna put this inside for extra flavor. Put the other one in too. Okay. Alright guys, and that's it. I'm happy with this. Gonna wrap it up and stick it in the oven. I'm gonna slow cook it and check it. I would normally leave it in there for a few hours. So here we are. Let's wrap it up. Okay. And then it goes.